Okay, so I've had a couple questions around using the program on Google Sheets. So I wanted to just show everyone how to run this. If we open up Google Sheets, go on to the shared version, it'll bring you to the first page. There's a little bit of information here around how to run the program, but the main thing to take away from this is this 1 rep max calculator. So we need to get an idea of what our 1 rep maxes are in the main lifts. So if you click on that cell, highlight it, open link, you don't actually need to test a 1 rep max. So let's say you hit 100 kilos for 5, calculate your 1 rep max, 112.5. Great. So we'll go back to the sheet, go on to page 1, and here is where we need to put in our numbers. Now, every sticker here tells you what you need to do, but we'll go through it at first. So first thing, for our squat, we need to put in our 1 rep maxes here. So let's say our 1 rep max for squat is 140 kilos. For bench, it's 112. Our deadlift is 160. And our overhead press is 90. Great. So once you've done that, it'll spit out your training maxes. And then from here, we're following on this week 1's accumulation. So your first day is going to be your squat with your accessories, which you can change if you want. From here, we look over and we see the weights that we're going to use. So for our squat, we're using 76 kilos for 5 sets of 10 reps. Now, I would round that down to 75 kilos, but you can do as you like. And you run through this on each of your lifts. Week 2 is the same, 3 by 10. The most important thing about this program is that it self-adjusts based on how strong you're getting. So on this 3rd week, we have what's called the realization phase. You can see here we have squat times C below, what we're looking at here. A couple warm-up sets, and then at 75%, we're hitting an AMRAP, as many reps as possible, at an 18 rep cap. So I've laid out a couple of the warm-up sets here for you, but 75%. So we're hitting as many reps as we can at 95 kilos. You're going to write out how many reps you got. And from here, it'll tell you how much to increase your training max by with a little calculation. So let's say, for example, we hit 12 reps. It'll tell you to increase your training max by 5 kilos. So what we do here is we go on to our squat, and let's say our squat old max was 140. We're now increasing it by 5 kilos, so we're now at 145. That'll adjust your training max, and then this next phase has all of your numbers crunched again. Obviously these will change as you actually put the numbers in, but you run the same thing and just put everything in. So it's plug and play. If you're interested in this, comment build and I can send it your way. Happy training.